I'll be unboxing this kit. And it's a balloon modeling kit. So you can model animals with 2 balloons. And on the back, you can make 10 creatures. And some of them I know, and some of them I have to learn. So, and also it includes a pumper, some stickers for the eyes, and 20 different colored balloons. So it's time for unboxing. So let's see what we've got inside. Okay, so here's our pumper, and it's orange. And then here is all of our balloons. We said there's 20 balloons. And then here's our instructional sheet. And back. And some stickers. These stickers are actually so cute. Okay, first, I think I'm going to be making a swan. Okay, and then we have to pump. Okay, so, yes. Got my white balloon. Now, what we do is we and then we crush and we twist. And it's like a magnifying glass. And it's a magnifying glass. This way. And then you push this carefully. And then see like that. Then you're gonna twist. Do that. And then you push this balloon here. That. That. And then you take this part, push it up. And then you push, and then you squeeze it so you get a shape. Now, like that. And like that. And voila, you got a swan. Now, I'm going to be adding some stickers for the eyes. I'm going to be using and another one. And there we go, a cute little swan. Gonna put it right beside. Can't really stand, I guess. So we pumped up all 20 balloons. There are in beautiful colors. So for the bunny, you're gonna make a little bubble right here for the mouth. And then you can make a slight big bubble like this, and then this, and then you fold it over, and then you kind of push, and then you make that. See? Now here's the ears, and here's the mouth. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be making a little bubble, a little bubble right beside, right there, like that. And then here, we're gonna make like kind of just a little bit more bigger bubble than the ears. Like a little bit bigger. That, and then you bend area, and we're gonna just make a little circle out of it. And then you're gonna tie the extra right over there. See, like that. And now, see these feet? I'm gonna push the feet inside. Ta-da! Now I'm gonna add some eyes. Showing you guys how to make a giraffe. This is really simple. So I'm going to be using orange for the giraffe. So first you're going to make a little bubble. And for the ears, we're going to make another bubble. Just a slight bigger than the first bubble. And then bend it over again. And twist like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to give it a long neck. So like that, okay? So that's as long as I want it to be. And then you just bend it over like that. And then right here, you're going to make your feet. You just twist it. Like that. And then, use one feet. And then over here, we're gonna push bend this one, and then make a feet again. So we're gonna twist over here. Ta-da! Our giraffe. Time to add our stickers. And I'm gonna add these cute eyes. There. There. Isn't she cute? She can go with the bunny. Bye-bye. Next, what I'm going to be making, let's see what else I can make. A classic, which is a dog. So for the dog, I'm going to be taking purple. So for the dog, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making same bubble, little bubble, the other ones. And then for the ear, I'm going to be making a black. Okay? And then we're good. Bend, twist, just like that. And then we're gonna bend that with the giraffe, and then here's our feet. So we're gonna his feet by twisting the balloon. Look, go on feet. Now, over here, we're going to bend and twist. Ta-da! Now it's time for the stickers. I'm going to be adding these. And look. Isn't she cute? Bye-bye. Next, what I'm going to be making is a flower. So, for the flower, you need a stem. So I'm going to be using green. And what we're going to do is you need some air out here. Not much air. And then what you're going to do is we're going to make a little circle like that. And then we're just going to scrunch it up and we're just going to twist. Look, so here's the stem. I've got two leaves over here. And then here's gonna be the top. So the top, I'm just gonna give it a little, just a tiny little bend. You don't have to bend it. Just a little bend. Like that. Now for the flower. For the flower, you can choose any color you want. I'm gonna be choosing pink. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna bend it. I'm gonna be making a pretty big flower, so I'm gonna bend that much. To make a small flower, you gotta bend a little bit smaller. But I'm making a big flower, so I'm gonna bend like that. And then I'm gonna twist this. And can you see the knot we made? Knot, and we're gonna go inside the hole. So it'll be super secure. Now we're gonna be making more little. Got two. I'm gonna make a third one. Ta-da! A 3-petaled flower. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be taking, we're gonna stick right here, and we're gonna make a little hole. So we're gonna put this in the middle of our little flower. Flat. Like that. And then I'm gonna twist it around the flower so it'll be secure. Alright. And ta-da! Look at our cute flower. Put this over here. Next, I'll be showing you guys how to make a parrot. So for a parrot, I'm going to be choosing yellow. So the parrot, what you're going to do is you're going to make a tiny itty bitty bubble. See that? A bubble? Now we're going to make a slight big bubble just beside the seam table. Like that. And then you're going to bubble knot here, and you're just going to try to tie it around the bigger bubble. So nice and secure. And just keep on popping. Here. Okay, take that. So this is basically, the small part is the beak, and the big part is like the head and the eye. So next, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this and just wrap it around here. Okay, so this is going to be the tail. So we're going to wrap it around like that. And we're going to twist it. Our parrot in our cage. Cool. And now we're gonna put our stickers on. I'm gonna make her a mischievous parrot. This is interesting. Okay. Look at our cute parrot! Next, I'll be showing you guys how to make an elephant. Elephant, you're gonna be needing like a big piece right there. So, big bubble, like that. And then you're just gonna make a little bend here. Just like push it. Keep on pushing it until you get the shape. Like that. Now for the ears. For the ears, we'll be making like this. I'm gonna make two. I'm gonna bend these two. And I'm gonna bend another part. And here is our elephant. Time to add the eyes. This elephant is going to be so bored. And we'll put these bony eyes. And here's our little bored-looking elephant. So I'm going to show you guys all our creations. So here's our giraffe. Here's our flower. Here's our swan. And here's our parrot. Here's our sausage dog. And I made 3 more flowers. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video, and click on the notifying bell to get notified whenever I post a new video.